Well, good day, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. We're on August 26, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. This video here is dedicated towards the world wildfires update. Looking here at a very quickly burning wildfire in Lassen, Long Valley, California, and the Nevada border. Now this fire quickly burned up 1,500 acres of land. This is a time-lapse video, but still it was a very fast, quickly burning wildfire, fueled by very strong winds coming off the Pacific, and expect those winds to increase over the next couple weeks. Downgraded tropical storm Ivo is on the coastline, getting ready to head into the Rockies. So thoughts and prayers, and of course, dedication towards those firefighters. Thank you, big thank you. It's been a very quiet season in California so far, abnormally. So evacuations underway as fire explodes to 1,500 acres in Lassen County, on the border of Nevada. Wildfire in sparse but dry federal lands in Lassen County swiftly grew in size in a matter of hours Saturday, growing to 1,500 acres as night fell along the California-Nevada border. The fire had been fueled by dry, highly elevated winds and dry brush. Gusty winds making things a little bit extreme along Valley, California. Evacuations underway, and they're not even reporting it here in the Pacific Disaster Center. They're only reporting this fire here in Shasta County. So Mount Shasta, interesting. Along Valley, brush fires, very interesting. Thoughts and prayers. We're going to go around the world here and have a look at all the wildfires that have been posted. Looking here in South America is, of course, Picos, Poal, Brazil, and as well Santa Cruz, Bolivia. That wildfire is out of control. More fires in Brazil. Over in Africa now. Zambia, Copper Belt, and as well Lunda Sul, Angola. And those fires have been burning for almost 3 weeks. Still have fires in Spain and Italy, Sardinia, and Segovia, Spain, and as well Portugal, the Canary Islands. Fires in Greece as well. No reports of fires in Alaska or Russia right now. Let's look at NASA Worldview and just see what it looks like from space across our planet. Overlooking Africa first. Of course, many thousands of fires burning throughout Angola and Congo. Overlooking the coastline here of Africa, you can see a large dust storm getting ready to fuel into the Atlantic Ocean. And that's one of the largest I've seen in quite a while. So watch for that to travel across the Atlantic Ocean. South America. We've got smoke billowing all the way down to Argentina and straight north to almost Colombia. Very thick line of smoke. And there isn't any relief in sight. Thoughts and prayers to everybody, especially Bolivia. This is a very large fire. Thanks for watching today. Please share this video. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.